Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back into this tutorial. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate automatically email address in your Microsoft Office Excel. Suppose that you have 500 people, you have 1000 people, you have even 5000 people. You have their usernames, you might be having their first name and last names, but you want to be creating the email address automatically. Maybe the students in your organization, maybe they are employees in your company, maybe there are other people who want to be creating an email for, so that you can be having to communicate with them easily. So if you're going to be assigning email to everyone, you don't need to be creating an email manually. You have to do it automatically to ease your work, to ease every process. And it's simple by using this method I'm going to be showing you. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, share this with your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the process we're going to be using is simple. As you see, I have a list of usernames here. If you can see on this column, I have the list of usernames here. So I have also the domains that I'm going to be creating an email for. You can see I have this column, I have this one. So if also I have these domains I'm going to be creating an email for, and I have this one which is the email section. In this email section is that way I'm going to be automatically filling the emails I'm going to be creating for everyone. So I'm going to be using this formula, and also what I'm going to be typing here, I'm going to be using this function equal. Now after clicking equal, I'm going to be typing this username of this person. Now I have to be adding and. After adding and, I want to be clicking also adding this arrows in the quotation mark at this one. After adding at in the quotation, that is where I'm going to be also adding and again. So after this, I'm going to be clicking on the domain, which I'm going to be taking it as suffix to the email I created. So after clicking that, I have to confirm. As you can see, I have already email address, which is kasarkir@gmail.com. It's username plus gmail.com at gmail.com. So what I'm going to be clicking, if I select this one, I have a list of 30 people. You can see everyone is going to be having an email address which is corresponding to his or her names. Depends on also the function that I have already used. As you can see, also every person is having here is a username, and the username is corresponding to the ones which have been used to create an email address. So suppose that now we have one domain. For instance, we are using a Gmail as the domain. Let me, for instance, delete this one and use Gmail as the domain or as the email provider. I'm going to be clearing this one. So after clearing this data, I'm going to be also using Gmail as the only one I'm going to be using. So it's very simple. If you want to be creating the email address for Gmails only, or for the given organization only, which is going to be providing the email address, what I need to do, as you can see, I have Gmail address. If I try to scroll down here, you can see it's going to be taking again the Gmail address as the domain, so Gmail suffix as the domain. So I can be scrolling down here, and I have every person who is going to be having a Gmail address. So you need also to ensure that you follow only this step and be able to use this syntax. Once you use this syntax, you're going to be creating an email address. You're going to be automating an email address, even though you are going to be having more than 1000 people, more than 5000 people. You ought to be generating an email address in very simple ways, without also taking or consuming a lot of time of you, and without taking you a lot of work. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section.